Optoma Photon Go portable triple laser projector now available in the US. Optoma has launched the Photon Go portable triple laser projector in the US and Canada. This new ultra-short throw model can project images up to 100 inches wide and offers automatic focus and keystone correction tools. Other features include Google TV, integrated stereo speakers, and support for voice commands. The Optoma Photon Go smart projector has been released in North America. This ultra-short throw UST model was released in Europe earlier in 2025 as part of the wider Photon projector series. It is designed for use in your home or outdoors thanks to its portable design. The Photon Go, also known as Model 1080 UST, has a 1080p resolution with an 8000:1 contrast ratio, and it is compatible with HDR10+. A 100-inch 254 cm image can be thrown from a distance of 1 feet 3 m, as the model has a 0.18:1 throw ratio. You can quickly set up the DLP projector and perfect the image thanks to tools such as auto keystone correction and autofocus. According to Optoma, the triple laser RGB light source should last for around 20,000 hours and is said to deliver up to 650 lumens brightness. It is unclear whether this brightness measurement aligns to an internationally recognized standard like ISO or ANSI. Users of the Photon Go can access a wide range of streaming apps through the Google TV interface. And there is support for Google Assistant voice commands and Google Cast wireless screen sharing. Ports on the device include HDMI 2.0, USB-C, USB-A, P, or DIF, and RJ45. This is a truly portable projector with an integrated battery providing up to 90 minutes of video playback time, or running for around 4 hours in Bluetooth speaker mode. Plus, the built-in 20W stereo speakers support Dolby Audio. Optoma's latest model measures 9.92 x 6.18 x 2.44 inches 25, 2x 15.7 x 6.2 centimeters, and weighs 3.79 pounds is 1/7 kg. You can now buy the Optoma Photon Go smart projector for $999 for $79 at retailers like Amazon US, Amazon CA, and B&H Photo Video.